Today we're going to be deep diving into the world of self-tanner. I've been self-tanning for over 10 years and this is the process that I found that works best for me, and it is very quick, not time consuming, super easy, and I'm going to share with you all of the products that I use and the self-tanner that I use that is my favorite at the moment. So let's get started. I know that self-tanning can be very daunting for people, especially if you're just getting started, but I promise you it is not as hard as it looks or as it seems. Gemma is joining me today. Let's go into the products that you'll need before we go into the nitty-gritty details. So you're gonna need some exfoliant gloves. You can get these on Amazon. You need a tanning mitt, Amazon or Ulta. You need 2 brushes. These are both from e.l.f. This is a flat top. And this is a powder one, which I will explain why you need both. You can get these on Amazon as well. I will have everything linked down below, just like quick Amazon links so that you can click on them and like if you're interested and just go from there. You'll need some type of lotion. I just grabbed this one. This is just from Bath & Body Works. Any type of lotion will do, just you need lotion. You'll need baby powder. This is a huge one because I douse myself in baby powder afterwards, so I go through quite a bit. But you'll definitely need some baby powder. And last but not least, you will need the self tanner. So this is the Self Tan Mousse in Extra Dark Tanologist 1 Hour. They have several different kinds if you're not into the extra dark, but I love being extra dark, so I got the extra dark one. This is my favorite one at the moment. I've been using it for a couple years now. It is super affordable. I think it's only like $20. Amazon, very often has deals where it's like buy 2 and it's like $30 or something. I think they have deals where you can get this in a mitt. So that's another reason why I like this brand, is because they always have deals going on. To begin the self-tanning process, you have to prime your body. Just like you prime your face for makeup, you have to prime your body. What that means is you will need to exfoliate your body in the shower. So that's where these exfoliating gloves come in. I use this and a bar of soap. A bar of soap works the best for me because it lathers really well, and I just use those 2 items in the shower and just scrub my body just like you exfoliate anything else. I focus on my elbows and my ankles and my knees and my hands. Those are the areas that get the most dry and patchy and where self-tan tries to stick to me the most. So I concentrate on that area. You're gonna use that same process over and over again whenever you're ready to put new tanner on. You're just gonna exfoliate your body, get all that old tanner off, that old skin, dry skin. When you get out, you're going to, that's where the lotion comes in. You're going to lotion your body. I try not to lotion all of my body when I'm self-tanning. I will just concentrate the lotion on those same areas where I scrubbed really hard in the shower. So elbows, hands, ankles, knees, that kind of thing. This will just ensure that your body is clean, it's not dry, and it is hydrated, ready for the mousse. I'm gonna show you different clips of me actually applying the self-tan so that you can see the bronzer or whatever that they have in the tan, which makes it super, super easy to apply the tan. I have used some that don't have any in them. It just looks like lotion, and then you don't know where you're putting it. You don't know if you put too much in one area. You don't know if you've skipped an area. I hate that. This does not do that. You can see exactly where you're putting the tan and exactly how much you've done. That is one reason why I love this tan, because you can see exactly where it's going. I start off from the bottom to the top of my body, so I work my way up. I start off with my calves and my feet and just work up from there. You can see how well the tanner looks just initially. It looks sun-kissed. Like as soon as you put it on, you can see exactly where it's going. You can see how good it's gonna look. I love the self-tanner. It is super easy to apply. You just squirt it on the mitt and then just take it just like you would any other type of lotion. Just kind of circular motions with your mitt and apply it to your entire body. This process takes me about 10 minutes from start to finish, not including what I do in the shower. It's a really quick process. It goes on really evenly. You can see when I'm putting it on my chest that it just looks like my skin but better. And that's one thing that I love about this self-tan, is that it doesn't look orange. It doesn't look like a self-tan. It looks like you've just stepped out from the Caribbean. No one's gonna know that you self-tan, and I just love that. It looks so natural. One of the last steps I do before I go in with the baby powder is do my hands. That is the very last thing that I touch on my body with this mousse. That's where this flat top brush comes in. I use this only for my hands. This distributes the product so much better and so much more evenly than the mitt does, because the mitt can kind of just make it a little bit too dark on your hands and make it look like you've been working in a garden and forgot to wash your hands. That's why I love using this brush, because it just diffuses it. It makes it look a little bit more natural, and that's just another thing that I've learned throughout the years, is to use a brush for your hands. And then finally, to set my body, remember we've primed our body, we've got makeup on our body, now we need to set it. So that's where the baby powder and this brush comes in. You are basically going to douse yourself in this baby powder. This is going to set it. This is going to make sure that it's not sticky on your body. Your skin isn't sticking together. I just put it on this brush. I start off underneath my arms, because that is like that, you know, your skin is in contact underneath your arms. So I put a good bit underneath my arms and right in this crease right here, and then just go from there and set my whole body. Make sure to get my neck, behind my neck, you know, underneath my boobs, on my stomach, you know, just anywhere that I feel sticky. I'm going to put this baby powder, because I cannot stand feeling sticky. And I think that's one step that a lot of people either don't know or skip or whatever, because, and that may be why they don't want to self-tan, because they don't want to be sticky afterwards. But this is what you need to not be sticky. So get that. Promise it'll change your life. It's a game changer. For this particular mousse, it does say 1 hour, but I wear this all night. I have washed this off within like 1 or 2 hours, and it does give you a good tan, but I just like to be super, super dark, so I leave it on all night long, which you can do as well. And I just wash it off in, you know, in the morning in the shower. Another reason on top of other reasons why I love that, because it is a very versatile product. You can wash it off in a couple hours if you don't want to leave it on overnight, or you can leave it on overnight and get an even darker tan. So that was all the tips that I had for you today for my self-tanner beginners guide, I guess, to you know, how to be super bronzed and stuff this summer. Let me know if you've tried the Tanologist mousse, if you like it. What other ones that you like? The Loving Tan one is also really good, but it is $40. So I was trying to find a cheaper alternative, and that's where I landed on the Tanologist. If you like a little bit more expensive, then the Loving Tan is good. They sell it in Ulta. Let me know if you have any other self-tanning tips. Leave them down in the comments. I would love to learn from you guys. Don't forget to check out the beauty series going on my channel right now. It is called Beauty on a Budget, 30 Days of Glam for Less, where I go into super big detail on lots of drugstore products, why I love them, how I use them, the price, all that good stuff. So check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!